Welcome to a tutorial on how to manage your website. The first thing you'll notice is we have to go to your website. So we're there already. To manage it, you want to go to the address bar and add a /user and enter. That'll take you to the login screen. The admin, the user I use, and the password are already there. As a reCAPTCHA to know that we're not a robot. If you forget your password, you can request a new one, and it'll go to the email associated with the user. So we'll log in. One of the things you'll notice when it logs in is that it looks similar to just looking at the website, except other features are added, as well as the most important one, which is the toolbar up top, the admin toolbar. So you'll see that there. It'll tell you which users logged in, and then at the very end we can log out. So one of the things I want you to notice, you can always go home here, as well as the logo. Dashboard, you probably want to touch. Content, you will. Structure, you probably want to touch that one. Appearance as well, you want to touch that one. People, here we can add and remove people. Modules, you probably won't be adding or removing modules. Configuration, there's probably like a backing up of the database that I want to show you. Drupal EXP, you need to touch. Layer sliders is if we actually click the home page, the logo to go back to the home page, the layer sliders on the front are associated with this. And so with this drop down. And then reports you don't really need, because you'll be tied into hopefully Google Analytics, so you can check all your analytics there, and then help, you won't be using that much. And so that's the admin toolbar. We're logged in. One of the things you want to notice is that the pages now have sections. On the home page have these little gears, and they let you do certain things with each of those sections. This one here, you can change that one. So the pages are comprised by either gears or actual edit of the page. The home page is unique and different from all the other pages, because it more than likely has a lot of panels that the other pages don't have. But you'll notice this one just has a ton of panels with the different gears, and we'll explore that more in other tutorials. And I'm just going slowly down. This is made by views and I'll show you what those are at some other point. And then the footer. And what I want to do is just go to one of the other pages. Let's go to program policies. Just a typical page. And here you'll see the edit, which was similar to the gear for the panels. You can actually clone the content to make new content similar to this one, but we won't do that now. What I want to do is edit here, just show you what the back end looks like. We'll explore this more in another tutorial. You'll see that an editor appears, kind of similar to Word, which has different things you could do, bold to the text or to the image. You can change certain things, so that's image properties. You can bold, so I'll just highlight the Albuquerque here and bold it. You see, now you notice that it's bolded, and then you want to highlight it again and unbold. So that's, I just want to touch it. You would save it if you did do changes, but what we're going to do is go back to the view, and it won't change anything. I want to go back to the home page and show you that the gears at most points are similar to just the edit of the other pages, depending on the page you're on. So like this one here, we want to edit this one here. Hold on, the computer is thinking a little bit. Let's see if it goes fast. Yeah, there it goes. So we want to configure this block, and you'll see. So it's just specific to the block or a panel for the page. So there's just different terminology, but you'll see here you can do the same things as on editing the page. It doesn't have the view there, so basically you can go back, you can save the block. I'll just click back button, and it'll go back to the home page. And so I think that's good. Let me show you content. If you click content, basically you're gonna see all the content on the website. Basic pages, articles for the blog, events for all the different calendars. Those are the larger events. Schumann and Heights. These are all the different calendars that are on the website, and they're made up of that. There's ways to filter, so you're just looking at specific things, the type. So we just want to look at events, we will go there. And so there's different ways to go to it. And again, so I created a new page just recently, a style guide, and you can go directly from here as well to all the different content, and that shows you the different styles that are on the website. And so what I'm going to do is click home again. So you can click it there, you can click the logo, you can click the navigation. You just have a lot more power here. And then what we want to do is log out, as this is just an overview of managing your website. So we'll log out now, and that ends our tutorial. It'll put you back on the home page. You don't have the admin toolbar, you have none of the tools, and you're just looking at the site like anyone else would.